The Gene, An Intimate History, is a nonfiction book written by Siddhartha Mukherjee and published in 2016. The book explores the history, science, and ethical implications of genetics, tracing the discovery of genes and their role in shaping human biology and society. Key points covered in the book include 1. Historical overview. Mukherjee begins by tracing the history of genetics, from the early observations of heredity to the groundbreaking discoveries in molecular biology and genomics. He discusses the work of key figures such as Gregor Mendel, James Watson, and Francis Crick. 2. The nature of genes. The book delves into the nature of genes as units of heredity that carry information necessary for the development and functioning of organisms. Mukherjee explains how genes are composed of DNA and how they control traits through the processes of transcription and translation. 3. Genetics and disease. Mukherjee explores the relationship between genes and diseases, discussing genetic mutations that can lead to conditions such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, and Huntington's disease. He examines the challenges of identifying and treating genetic disorders. 4. Nature versus nurture. The book engages with the nature versus nurture debate, considering how genes interact with environmental factors to influence traits and behaviors. Mukherjee discusses the complexity of gene-environment interactions and their impact on individual development. 5. Genetic determinism. The book addresses the concept of genetic determinism, which suggests that genes alone determine human traits and behaviors. Mukherjee challenges this notion by highlighting the intricate interplay between genes, environment, and complex biological systems. 6. Ethical considerations. Mukherjee discusses the ethical dilemmas posed by genetic research and technology, including issues related to genetic testing, gene editing, and the potential for designer babies. He examines the implications of having the ability to manipulate genes. 7. Genetic diversity and evolution. The book explores the importance of genetic diversity in populations and how natural selection drives the evolution of species. Mukherjee explains how genetic variation contributes to adaptation and survival. 8. Genetics and identity. Mukherjee discusses the concept of genetic identity and how it intersects with questions of ancestry, race, and human migration. He examines how genetics can challenge or reinforce cultural and social narratives. The Gene, An Intimate History, provides a comprehensive and accessible exploration of genetics, weaving together scientific discoveries, historical context, and ethical considerations. Mukherjee's writing engages both scientific enthusiasts and general readers, offering insights into the profound impact of genes on human biology, health, and society. The book encourages readers to consider the complexities of genetics and its far-reaching implications for our understanding of ourselves and the natural world.